In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your website using Google and Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a brand new site or just looking to streamline your current one, these simple steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, let's head over to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and type in the web address for Squarespace. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your account details if you aren't already logged in. It's always a good idea to double check that you're using a secure connection when accessing or making changes to your site. Once inside, you'll be presented with the interface where all the magic happens. Now let's focus on the part where we manage our website's pages. Navigate to the website section and then click on Pages. This is where you can really start to customize the structure and layout of your website. Imagine this section as the blueprint of your entire site. This intuitive navigation panel allows you to organize and rearrange pages with a simple click. On selecting a specific page, you'll notice a Settings option. Clicking here gives you the ability to edit crucial elements of your website, such as the page title and navigation title. It's recommended to name your pages in a way that accurately reflects the content and purpose of each page, enhancing user experience and SEO. Adding new content is just as straightforward. Look for the plus icon, which signifies the option to add. Clicking it opens up avenues to create new pages, collections, and more under the main navigation. This is perfect for introducing new content or sections without having to overhaul your existing setup. Collections can be particularly useful if you run a blog or want to showcase various items like a portfolio or product listings. This way, you keep your site dynamic and engaging without cluttering the main navigation. And there you have it. Managing your website with Google and Squarespace is truly that simple. Once you've finished updating your pages, make sure to save your changes and preview your site to confirm everything appears as intended. Remember, effective website management is not about complexity, but understanding the tools available and using them to create an intuitive experience for your visitors. By carefully managing your pages, editing titles, and efficiently adding new sections when needed, you're not only improving your site's organization, but also making it more accessible to search engines and visitors alike. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in managing your website. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy editing and see you in the next video.